Low-speed rear-end car accidents are common in Florida, especially in the cities of Miami, Homestead, and Hialeah. But these seemingly minor accidents should not be taken lightly. If you find yourself in a low-speed rear-end collision, you might initially feel fine. However, it's important to realize that injuries may not be immediately noticeable. Whiplash, for instance, can cause long-lasting damage to your nerves, neck, and spine, resulting in chronic pain and discomfort. That's why, if you or your loved ones are involved in a low-speed car accident, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention from qualified professionals who can assess and address potential injuries. Remember, certain injuries may not exhibit immediate symptoms. Next, and once it's safe to do so, document the damage to your vehicle and road conditions, and try to secure eyewitness accounts. Each piece of evidence plays a vital role in building a compelling case. The final step after receiving any medical treatment is to call a qualified personal injury attorney, like the law offices of Leonard J. Valdes, especially before accepting any payoff from your insurance company. With over a decade of successful experience handling low-speed rear-end car accidents, Leo Valdes can help you build a strong case. From negotiating with insurance companies to representing you in court, Leo will tirelessly work to ensure your voice is heard and help you recover substantial settlements for medical expenses, lost wages, property damage, and pain and suffering. Visit valdeslaw.com to schedule your consultation now. Remember, you don't have to face this alone. We're here to support you every step of the way.